Public law needs public reasons.
That sounds simple, but it is one of the most important ideas in a free society.
In a country with millions of people, different religions, different worldviews, and different moral beliefs, the law cannot just be, my religion says so. That may guide your personal life. It may guide your family, or it may guide your church. But it is not enough to govern everyone else. Because the moment a law controls another person's body, rights, marriage, education, speech, or freedom, the reason for that law has to reach beyond one religious group. It has to be explainable in public terms. Harm, rights, freedom, fairness, safety, human dignity, real-world consequences. That is not anti-religion. That is how a diverse country stays free. You can believe abortion is wrong because of your faith, but if you want the state to force that belief onto everyone else, you need a public argument that does not depend on everyone accepting your theology. You can believe your faith defines marriage, but if you want the law to restrict someone else's marriage, you need a public reason that applies to all citizens equally. Because public law is backed by force, it is not just an opinion, it is police power, court power, government power. So the burden has to be higher than my scripture says so. Religious freedom does not mean your religion gets to rule. Religious freedom means you get to practice your faith without the state turning faith into a weapon. That is why secular government matters. Not because faith is meaningless, but because freedom is too important to put one group's interpretation in charge of everyone else's life. Believe what you want, preach what you want, practice what you want. But when you make law for everyone, bring reasons that belong to everyone. Because in a free country, private faith can guide your life. But public law needs public reasons.